everyone, especially to my fellow engenes, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another K-pop inspired iPhone customization. This time, as you can see from the title, I'm going to transform my phone into a theme inspired by ENHYPEN's Manifesto Day 1. I'm going to start by changing the wallpapers. For this look, I'm going to choose this graffiti wall sort of vibe that has their lyrics on it for the lock screen. And let me just choose a font that gives me that certain kind of vibe that I'm going for. For the home screen, I'm going to use this plain brick wall that has their names on it. Now it's time to customize the entire home screen with icons and widgets. Just a heads up, this theme will mostly feature different shades of orange just like their album, and I'm sure it will turn out to be really cute. To customize the app icons, I'm going to use the Shortcuts app. I prepared around 55 icons for this look, and now I'm just going to add them to my home screen. I'm sure you would want to see me change the icons one by one, so let me just fast forward the process. But if you want to check out how I do them one by one, I do have some other customization videos which you can also check later on. And here are all the apps I want to be on my home screen for this look. Now that that is done, let me start adding the widgets. For that, I'm just going to use the widgetsmith app. Here are all the widgets I prepared for this look, and for sure I won't be able to use all of them because I won't be adding too many widgets on my screen, but feel free to use them in your own customization. The first widget I will be adding is a calendar, and let me just customize it with the exact hex codes I use for the apps and widgets just so it will complement the entire look. For the next widget, let me add a small one featuring a line from their song Paradoxxx Invasion that says, "So call me PRDX Invader." The next widgets I'm adding are for the second page, and I really want to add all the widgets I prepared featuring their song Shoutout, which I can't deny is my favorite. Then I'm just going to add a few more widgets featuring the lyrics from their song Future Perfect Pass the Mic. Now let me just add all those widgets to my home screen. I'm not sure if those are enough, but if not, we can definitely add more as we go on. As this video is coming to an end, I do hope you would consider subscribing and comment down below some suggestions of themes you want me to create in my future videos. If you want to customize your phone the same way, you can do so by clicking on the link of the Pinterest board I provided in the description box down below. There you will be able to see some wallpapers you can use for your lock screen and home screen. And don't forget the widgets, which you can mix and match as you see fit. I also included 2 packs of icons, one inspired by their entire album and the other inspired by their foreshadow video. That's it for now. Annyeong!